Here's where the experience starts, in Nelson, BC, Canada. It's a hip little city tucked away in the Selkirk Mountains. Initially, you get to the lodge via helicopter. In our case, we rode both the heli and the snowcat to get there. Yeah, I'd say my favorite part of any of these kinds of trips is just the whole anticipation of the unknown. You are waiting to get on the helicopter, you don't really know what that's going to be like. You get off, and then you don't know what the next step's going to be. You're done your best to prepare, but nothing is really going to make it real until you're in the moment doing it.
All the times I was pretty close, but then at the bottom I was like, okay, like it's getting really tight, whereas, you know.
There it is.
Yeah, baby.
Woo!
So you can't help but get this incredible stoked feeling when you're on one of these runs. It's amazing. You're screaming, you have so much energy by the end of it that in my case, I actually punched one of the guides.
Dude, oh, that was so good.
It was just that incredible. The run, the snow, everything. So the environment in the lodge and in the Snowcat between the staff and the other guests was definitely like a big family by the end of it. You got to know each other at dinner, at the bar, playing games, and so when you were on the mountain, it only felt natural to give somebody a high five or amp each other up before or after a run. Just a really good environment to be in. I think the best way I can sum it up is that the whole thing made me feel like a pro rider. Even though I'm far from it, the people I ride with are far from it, it almost just doesn't really matter as long as you're taking it all in and just ripping as hard as you can. Hey, this is Andy Greisen with RevShot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking, subscribing, and visiting the website to learn more about RevShot.